Hi everyone, this is Caroline, always reminding you that you are created beautifully. So today I had on my description that I do makeup tutorials, I do a bunch of things, and I said I do hair. I used to do a lot of hair. I kind of weaned myself off of that, but hey, I'm getting ready to get out the door, and I thought, hey, I could do how I make this little flat boy look into a fabulous homemade whatchamacallit. This is how I do it. First things first, my hair is wet. I just jumped out of the shower. And what I use is, I don't even know how to say this. It's a lightweight and volumizing mousse. When I got my hair cut and colored in Georgia, I bought this stuff last year. Oh yeah, it was last year. And so, no. Gosh, this stuff is old. I always wonder if there's expiration date. You know what? Because honestly, if it doesn't have an actual expiration date, I'm gonna use this stuff until it runs out. I got it in 2015. And I try to use it as much as possible because I do feel like it adds a whole lot of volume. And I don't put it around my whole head, just the crown of my head. And I put that in there. So the first step is basically mix it in. And step number 2 is basically I have to blow dry it. When you are blow drying your hair, you want to always remember that if you do want volumizing in certain areas, that you do want to hold your brush up and point your blow dryer at that area. So as you can see, I got some pretty good lift. Like this product, I would definitely repurchase. So then on my sides, I want them to lay flat. So what you want to do is wherever direction you want your hair to go, you want to point the blow dryer there. So since I want it this flat, you'll notice that I'm brushing it down and I'm blow drying it. Then I want this to kind of just have a lot of volume, so I'm brushing it in all directions. But that's basically, with blow drying, you just want to do that. I can go like this because I feel like I just basically want some body. Sometimes I just go with it flat. It really just depends on how the day is going. Next, I use the high flattening iron. This is the one that works the best for me. I think, what is it called? The chai? Y'all know which one I'm talking about. Works really well for other people. I've tried it before. It works great, but this is what I have. Typically like to have no kind of product in my hair. I know a lot of people like to do heat protectant. You're using a flat iron. I actually don't straighten my hair. I probably do it once a week, so I don't feel the need to do that. It's probably still a good idea, but I don't want to sit here and pretend like I use a heat protectant. I have it, but I don't use it. What I like to do is just have a part. Typically have it here on the left-hand side. And this is really simple. I take the part in the back, I just kind of divide it, and I take my hair straightener and I basically flip it to the back. And I'm going to continue to do that. So once the curls have totally cooled, I go ahead and just basically just run my fingers through and I just move the curls around, where I like it. This product I will always repurchase. The bottle looks like this, and I got this product in New Mexico when I originally did the short. And I just keep it about 12 inches away. Done. So typically I have it just like this. I just add my hairspray. I will not repurchase this again. And that's my basic steps. And those are the products I actually use. I will link below the actual hairspray that I use that really works. And if you are at all curious on how I do my hair, this is the way I do it. It's pretty fast. And the second day with your hair unwashed is the best. Has a lot more body in it. But I really like it. I like the cut. My friend cuts it for me, and then that's just all I do to it. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and share as you see fit. God bless you, and goodbye. I will say this when you're, okay, I'm all sweaty. I hope the video don't come across that I'm super sweaty. Anyways, so when